President Draupadi Murmu will address a program organized by the National Human Rights Commission in New Delhi today on the occasion of Human Rights Day. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju urges cooperation from all opposition parties for a smooth functioning of Parliament. Dhaka expects resolution of all unsettled issues with India, Bangladesh's Foreign Secretary. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and his Russian counterpart Andrei Belesov to co-chair India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission meeting in Moscow. Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia felicitates Indian team contingent for clinching 55 medals at the 10th Asia Pacific Deaf Games.